So we previously did a test on the Ruko U11 GPS drone to see how long it would stay in the air. The manufacturer advertises a 20-minute flight time, and we ended up getting a total of 15 minutes and 4 seconds. Here's a recap of the video. So in today's video, we're going to do a Ruko U11 versus Ruko F11 GIM drone. The F11 GIM is the newest version of the F11, and it has an advertised time of 30-minute flight time. We're going to see if we can get there. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the bottom and turn on notification bell for future content. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And please always fly safe and responsibly. So here we go, the U11 versus the F11 GIM. One of the things I noticed when starting this test is after a few minutes of hovering, the F11 GIM was pretty much all over the place. It really wouldn't stand still in one spot as much as I would like it to. The U11 did a lot better job staying put. And here we go at 8 times speed. So here we go towards the end of the test. I have no idea where the drone was going, but it just took off on me and I had to pull it back towards the landing pad. So our final time is 26 minutes and 32 seconds. about 3.5 minutes less than the advertised 30-minute flight time, but substantially better than the 15 minutes and 4 seconds from the Ruko U11 GPS drone. So overall, the winner in this one by far is the F11 GIM. So just out of curiosity, the Ruko F11 GIM drone advertises a 5x zoom. Now on the controller, while I'm pointing at these trees, I'm doing the 5x zoom and couldn't see anything on the recording where I zoom in. On the phone, I can see where it zooms in. Let me know if anybody has had this issue and if there is a correction, or is it only the zoom in on the phone but it doesn't record it. I would greatly appreciate any help any of you can give me, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, everyone stay safe, and Johnny Bravo out. Thank you.